If you own a phone, a laptop, or an iPad and you're not making money with them, you're wasting your time. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 survey sites that are paying people from all locations. So if you're in Nigeria, it will pay you. If you're in Ghana, anywhere you are, these survey sites will pay you. Okay, so what you're going to do is to watch the video till the end. I'm going to share about 3 of them today. You know how it is done on this channel. This channel is strictly for how to make money online. Okay, so if today is the first time stopping by, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, leave your comment. If you have any question, leave it on the comment section below and we will treat that later. But for now, let's dive in as I show you these survey sites. The first one we are going to look at is called Surveyor. Surveyor is a paid survey site. You get paid to complete simple surveys and you earn your reward via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or bank transfer, depending on your location. So what you're going to do is just to come up. I'll leave the link in the description box, or you can search it on the internet, on Google, search it Surveyor, and it pops up and then you sign up. But this is the page where you begin your registration. Okay, so how it works is that they will select the best surveys on the market and you will answer them and then you earn money. The registration is free. Then every day respond to surveys and studies, you would get paid. Okay, so I'll leave the link in the description box. Because of my location, that is why it's showing pounds. But if you register with your location, it's going to show in your local currency. It's going to show Naira if you register from Nigeria. So you just sign up. I'll just log in since I already have an account. So this is the home page. This is these are the paid surveys that you can complete to get paid. You can see they're not paying you in 0.000 cent. They're paying you in 0.30p, which is good. Some of them even pay as high as £2. And if you convert it into Naira or your local currency, you can see how much that is. So, and also there's a bonus mark or bonus money you're supposed to earn each day. By completing these tasks, you earn all these bonuses you're seeing here. I haven't done mine yet. Okay, they also have an app. They have Android app and iOS. So you can download the app. It makes it easier for you to, get the surveys notification whenever they come up. Enable your web alert if you're using your computer so that it will always pop up on your screen and you complete them. So there are always available surveys. So many surveys for you to complete and they pay real money. The reason why I'm sharing this is because it pays everybody. So your location is not a barrier. Don't tell me that you're far away. I always use Nigeria as a case study. This one pays you guys, so go and sign up. So you can withdraw your money, like I said, PayPal. You can use your PayPal. They also have virtual card. They have Amazon gift card. They have all the other gift card options because of my location. So if you enter your location, you might see other gift cards options that are available to you. But the best one or my most interesting one is via PayPal. I like the money, not the gift cards. Okay. So I need about £25 to be able to withdraw the money. That's the minimum cash out. But I'm telling you that you will always get surveys if you have the time. Okay. They also announce winners each week for people who made most money in completing surveys. And that is it for this one. I'll leave the link in the description. Use it to sign up. The second one is TGM panel. This one as well pays you to complete surveys. It is also available in some places, not all locations. Okay, so these are the countries that they are taking so far. I think they're even taking for almost all the countries. You can see all the European countries are here. They're taking from Africa. You can see they're taking Nigeria, South Africa, Uganda, Senegal, Ghana. They're taking from all the African countries. They're taking from Asia, Pacific. They're taking from everywhere in Europe. So all the continents, if I may say. Okay. So this one is also good because it pays everybody. That is why I was saying that I'm going to show you a website that pays everybody. So it pays you from wherever you are. So you just need to sign up, complete surveys, and get paid. So the reason why you're seeing UK here is because of where I am. But for you to sign up, you're going to put your country. For instance, Nigeria is NG, so you put tgmpanel.ng, and that will show you your country's URL, and then you sign up. So don't go searching for tgmpanel.uk and then you say they're not taking from your location. Okay, you're going to sign up with wherever you are. And that is it for this one. It's just similar to the other one. You complete simple tasks, complete surveys, and you get paid. The third one we're going to look at is called switchedon.africa. This one is specifically for Africans. Okay, so just sign up. You can search for switchedon.africa, or I'll leave it in the description box. So you come to this page and then you sign up. So how does it work? It works after you sign up for the panel, and then you receive a sign up bonus just for registering. You see, once you sign up today, you're going to receive a sign up bonus. So you just have to follow these simple 3 steps: registration, you complete surveys, and you win prizes. So once you complete and you submit your registration form, then check your email for a verification link. Then you confirm your email address. So for the reward, participating in the Switched On research community can be a very rewarding experience with plenty of great prizes up for grabs and even more opportunities to win. With every survey you complete, you have the opportunity to win Switched On does a random draw week after every round of completed surveys. Some surveys even have guaranteed reward attached to them, where you are 100% guaranteed to earn either cash, airtime, or your favorite shopping vouchers. So it's currently available in South Africa, Kenya, and Nigeria. And these are the table of it's a table to see some of the fantastic prizes. For South Africans, you can win these recharge cards, MTN, Vodacom, and all the rest of them. For Kenya, the same thing. And Nigeria, you can win Jumia, gift card, Glow, and the rest of them. So go through it. If you need any help, you can contact the support and they will get back to you as soon as possible. So you don't need any hard work. You're not going to pay any money to join them. Just sign up and start getting paid. So for those, you can see the testimonials from people that have received. Most of them are from South Africa. I'm sure if you go down, you might see someone as well from other countries. Okay, so for those of you who are still searching for a job, this is a great way to earn a little income. Those of you that are home, stay home mom, you can do this from the comfort of your home. Even if you cannot do it, don't forget to share it to others. There's love in sharing. Share to others so that they can earn and also make a living. It's not going to pay your rent. It's not going to make you a rich man or woman, but at least it will go a long way. That is why I'm sharing. You know that this channel, we talk about how to make money. How to make money online. That is what we do. So that is it for us on this one, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to make a specific video for your country or for a specific need that you have, let me also know in the comment section. Thank you so much for always coming back, returning subscribers. Thank you so much. And for my community members, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for joining my community membership. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.